show is sponsored by N&L. Contact Mrs. Manchik for more information.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Monday, November 12th. NHS will be hosting a book drive. Please donate books you no longer want or need. The donation books are located in the junior high hallway, high school hallway, and outside of the library. Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off your money in your yearbook in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. Help make a child's Christmas wonderful. Bring small toys, shoeboxes, school supplies, or hygiene items like washcloths or toothbrushes to Mrs. Wishart's room by November 16th. And now to Audrey with your Ram Sports Report.
Joni. At regionals, boys football fell short to Southridge. Congratulations, boys, with your record of 12-1. On Saturday, girls JV won against Brownstown and varsity lost. Tonight, junior high girls basketball is away at Bar Eve starting at 6. Back to you, Joni.
Drama Club will be performing the comedy 30 Reasons Not to Be in a Play Thursday, November 15th through Saturday, November 17th at 7 p.m. in the auditorium. Tickets are $3 for students and $4 for adults. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.